This is the Aroma Digital Metronome Tuner 3-in-1. Really easy to use. You can actually do voice, you can do a metronome, and you can tune. If you're tuning, you can use a clip-on, which just goes in the side here and clips on to, let's say, your guitar or anywhere where the vibration is going to be at its best. Otherwise, it still has a speaker, so you don't have to use this to be able to tune. It also has a metronome. You just go over to here where it says MT and you hold it down like that. That's going to give you your metronome. You can go up to 9s, and it even has a voice.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And you can change the speed here by using up or down, and you can go to 5s, up to 9. Triplets, however you need your metronome to do this, does everything. It does have a stand on the back here that pulls out. You can do voice tuning or guitar tuning. Very nice, very easy to use, very convenient. Within the package too, when you open this up, it comes with a 2-year warranty, so if you have any issues, just give them a call. Aroma did send this to me to review. My honest opinion is I really like it. It is easy to use, very intuitive. Took me only a few minutes to kind of figure out how to get through the whole process, but I'm going to be using this to tune my bass guitars, and I'm already liking it.